I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to silence those pesky notifications from Fifth Third Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the Fifth Third Bank app on your smartphone. This is where you manage your notification settings. Step 2. Access settings. Once you're in the app, find the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. Tap on it to reveal more options. Step 3. Go to Notifications. In the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Tap on it to see your current notification preferences. Step 4. Toggle off notifications. You'll see a list of notification types. For each type you want to disable, simply toggle the switch to the off position. Note, make sure to check the transaction alerts toggle if you want to stop those as well. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your settings, look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to ensure your changes are applied. Now you can enjoy a quieter banking experience without those interruptions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.